Apple's upcoming iPhone 17e might just be the company's boldest attempt yet to blur the line between budget and premium smartphones. Leaks suggest that this device isn't just another affordable iPhone. It's Apple's calculated move to bring flagship-level design and performance to the mid-range segment. Expected to launch in the first half of 2026, likely between February and May, the iPhone 17e follows the 16e but with a more refined vision, to offer an accessible iPhone without stripping away its identity. The biggest shift lies in its display. Reports indicate that Apple will finally retire the outdated notch for the 17th and introduce the Dynamic Island, a feature that's now standard across higher-end models. While some sources still debate whether this change will fully reach the budget lineup, multiple leakers lean toward its inclusion. The 6.1-inch OLED screen is expected to deliver richer colors and deeper contrast, marking a huge leap over the LCD panels seen in older budget models. Though it will remain at a 60 Hz refresh rate, Apple's calibration and software optimization will keep the experience fluid enough for most users. The addition of Dynamic Island, with its real-time alerts and seamless multitasking capabilities, ensures even the E model feels smart and modern. Under the hood, the iPhone 17e is rumored to feature a slightly scaled version of Apple's next-generation A19 chip, the same chip family powering the iPhone 17 lineup. According to leaks, this chipset focuses on AI-driven efficiency, bringing faster GPU rendering, improved neural processing, and smarter performance management to enhance both speed and battery life. It represents a clear upgrade from the A18 in the previous model, aligning Apple's entry-level phone with the company's growing AI ecosystem. Camera hardware remains modest but capable. Leaks point to a single 48-megapixel rear sensor supported by Apple's advanced image processing software, ensuring sharp and well-balanced shots in all lighting conditions. On the front, a 12-megapixel camera will handle selfies and Face ID, retaining Apple's strong focus on portrait and video clarity. While the camera setup may appear minimal, Apple's image optimization continues to outperform multi-lens systems in competing budget devices. Design-wise, the iPhone 17e will resemble the main iPhone 17 series with aluminum sides, rounded edges, and improved build durability. Apple might introduce new finishes or subtle texture enhancements to distinguish it, while keeping the lightweight yet premium feel intact. Battery life and connectivity are also expected to see incremental upgrades, with improved 5G efficiency and possible support for Wi-Fi 7, a notable leap for an entry-tier iPhone. As for pricing, industry reports suggest the iPhone 17e could start at around $549 for the 128GB model, positioning it as one of the most affordable ways to experience Apple's A19 power and modern design. If these leaks hold true, Apple's iPhone 17e won't just be a budget option. It'll be a statement that even the most affordable iPhone can feel truly next-gen.